comes to trimming windows, running base, hanging crown, or even a delicate woodworking project, one gun can't do it all. Each gun is designed to accomplish an individual task. You can get started with a pneumatic kit that comes with a compressor, a hose, and a few guns for between $200 and $400. Or if you already have a battery platform picked out, your manufacturer most likely makes a gun that'll fit your needs. The difference in these guns is the size of the nail that it shoots. Here we have a 15 gauge, 16 gauge, 18 gauge, and 23 gauge nailer. The higher the number, the thinner the nail. To get started, we'll talk about the 15 gauge nailer. The 15 gauge nail is a larger nail that has substantial holding power. You can find it from 1 1/4 to 2.5 inches long. It's great for running base or hanging crown molding, but it does leave a larger hole. The 16 gauge nail is a versatile nail that's great at accomplishing a lot of tasks. You can get it from 3/4 to 2.5 inches long, and it's great for trimming doors or general carpentry. The 18 gauge is a smaller nail that can be bought in 3/8 to 2 inches long. It has a smaller head. It's great for trim to jam application or fastening small moldings. The 23 gauge nail is the smallest of all the nails. It has no head and is great for mitered returns or working with delicate woodwork. It's often used in conjunction with glue. When it comes time to pick out your nailer, you really have two options, pneumatic or battery powered. Pneumatic's been around for a long time, it's time tested, but you have to lug around a compressor and a hose. One good thing though is the guns are significantly lighter. The other option you have is battery powered. These things have come a long way over the last few years. They have all the power you need to drive a nail, but they are a little bit pricier and bulkier. And as always, eye protection, ear protection, and have fun.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.